Login failed on Curve Card Fix. You open your Curve app, ready to view transactions or make a payment, but the screen flashes login failed. It's frustrating, especially when you rely on Curve for all your linked cards. But here's the good news: most login problems are simple to fix once you know what's behind them. Let's start with the most common issue: incorrect credentials. Double check your email and password. Curve logins are case sensitive, so make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If you can't remember your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it through the link sent to your registered email. Next, look at your internet connection. A weak signal or unstable Wi-Fi can block Curve's secure lock-in system. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or disable any VPNs or proxy settings. These can prevent Curve from verifying your location and credentials. If your login details and internet are fine, check for app updates. Open your App Store or Google Play, search Curve and tap Update. Outdated versions may not sync with Curve's latest security protocols. After updating, restart your phone before logging in again. Still not working? Clear the Curve app's cache or reinstall it completely. Sometimes stored data from older versions causes conflicts. Don't worry, your account, linked cards and transaction history are all securely stored in Curve's cloud, not on your device. If you recently got a new phone or reinstalled the app, Curve might require a verification code. Make sure your phone number and email are both up to date. Check your spam folder if you don't see the verification email. Finally, it might be a temporary outage. If Curve servers are under maintenance, login will be temporarily unavailable. Wait a bit, then try again later. So, the next time your Curve login fails, don't stress. Most issues come down to simple fixes: updating the app, checking your connection, or resetting your password. Once you've done that, you'll be back managing your card smoothly and securely with Curve.